Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Bryan in Kentucky on the Stryker SR-447HPC2. Bryan, I got it ready to go for you, bud. Our tune alignment. If you're not familiar with this radio real well, you'll want to keep it in AM mode. Here's your noise blanker. If you want to change the color, just flip this up. Then you use the selector here to change the color, whichever color you desire. You want to dim it down a little bit, go all the way down. And that's where you can adjust how dim you got it, okay? Alright, and then put it back in the middle. Here's your top back. And here's your RF power. Mic gain, if you'll run a noise canceling mic, you're probably going to run it close to wide open. Set the echo about where most guys run them. 1 2 1 2 3 4 4 1 2 3 1 2. And then there, as you see, it shows the SWR when you key up. You'll be on band D for the regular 40 channel band. Keep it right there. Start with the RF power all the way down, 50 watt slug. We set it at 2, that way if you decide to run an amplifier one day, you'll have full adjustability. Turn it all the way open. And we got a lot of feedback. I hit the wrong, but I didn't crank the top back up. 14 watts all the way up. You're welcome to run it there if you want. It won't hurt the radio not one bit. Show you average power swing. Low, 45 watts bird, 100 watt slug and PEP. Low, and about 96 peak. All right, Bryan, it's ready to come to you. If you got any questions, let me know. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.